We're going to talk about lights again, because this has landed in my studio, and yeah, I think it's something quite special really, and there's a reason for that. So let's have a quick look and we'll explain. So this is from a company called ZHIYUN. ZHIYUN? Z-H-I-Y-U-N. ZHIYUN, yeah. We'll go with that, shall we? So a little interjection here, because obviously ZHIYUN, I just want to make you aware, you might know them because of all the gimbals and everything that they do. Well, actually they do lights as well. But yes, gimbals is the thing that you will have seen all over the internet in the past. I just wanted to put that because you might not have put the two together. And I just thought, you should know. There you go, shall we? And they reached out to me to look at this because obviously I seem to have done a lot of light reviews recently, and they wanted me to look at this. And when I've seen it, I can understand why. Very simple package. There is a little cable in there, which is just a USB-C, because everything's USB-C now, which I love. I almost think that's something the EU did really well by saying to everyone, you've got to use USB-C. I realise it could stifle competition, but it does make my life easier. So we've got a little light modifier. So this is a cob light basically. But the beauty of this is it. No external batteries, nothing else. It's here. That's it. That's the battery. That is the battery. So when we've got this, and let's drop this on. There we go. So we've got a little diffuser on the front, if we want, which I think is quite nice. And it's just white light. We've got temperature control on it, which is nice as well. So it's power button on the back. Let's drop that on. Whoa, sorry, I'm just blinding you there. But we've got this beautiful handheld light. We've got a colour temperature there, so we can change it up. Then let's have a little bit yellow into that. That is absolutely, oh, you know what? I've just realised they've got that out that way on the thing. I actually liked it with the cone in because it stopped the spread of light. Let's just have a quick look at it this way. That's a hell of a spread of light. I think I preferred it the other way just because it allowed me to directional the light, which I tend to do. But in terms of a spread, that's really nice. Let's just push that in and just see. See, I've got my directional there, and I sort of like that. So let's take it off. Whoa. Yeah, nice. Let's put that back on. It's a bit too bright for my eyes. Ah. I can't see anything now. I'm just seeing stars. So yeah, the diffuser is gorgeous. Yeah. I really should have read the manual, shouldn't I? Go figure. Gorgeous onto that. On the back, we got a little indicator for the batteries. So we know how much power is into there. We've got on the bottom a few thread mounts. Onto that we've got the charging port, and we've got the option of a DC 24 volt charging port as well if you can do it. We've got type C as well into that. Some simple instructions on the back, single and long press for power on, and then rotate, dim button, power off, make sure they're powered off, long press, and that's it. It's got an inbuilt fan. Obviously it's not going at the moment, and we're in a bit of a heat wave. We're also in an air-conditioned studio, so yeah. But I just love the fact that if I am out and about videoing, run and gun, we've got this to hold. Someone can just really, really easily hold and move light around. Let's turn that off because I'm just going to blind you. But that is such a beautiful form factor. In fact, let's just take that diffuser off, and you can see the difference that diffuser's making. That's a really nice diffuser. Now, that is it's kicking out some heat. It's the CX100 Cob Light, they're calling it. But that is such lovely little diffusion that is coming through on that little rubber front. I'm not looking at you here, I'm looking at the screen next to it so I can see it for myself. That is just lovely. That's it as is, and if we take, which is probably not advisable, then we've just got that there, but yeah, you're not going to want to do that in reality. Right, let's turn that off. So they have thought about it. I like the fact it packs clear. It doesn't come with a case. It just is as it was out the box there. Yeah, I would have probably liked a little case with this, I've got to be honest, in terms of being on set and just taking it around with me. But in reality, is it the end of the world? It's a really convenient light that I'm just going to take everywhere and just, yeah, it's just really nice. So a couple of little bits onto this as well. It's supposed to, and I haven't tested this in all fairness, but it's been pretty close because I haven't had to need the charge the battery. It's supposed to be able to 100% luminance for 30 minutes with the battery that's included into this. And I can sort of believe that in how long I've used this for now without having to charge the battery, which is really quite nice. So that's a key factor into there. They rate the colour accuracy onto this as being excellent. I'm not Gerald Undone. I'm not testing it with a special meter to know that is the case. You're going to have a look at, hopefully he'll do one on this or something similar for those specs. I'm just not interested in reality. For what I'm using it for, the little bit of variance is not the end of the world to me into that. I'm running and gunning with this. This is not a Hollywood studio setup that I'm using it in. So yeah, go and see if he does something into that. But it's supposed to deliver 3,840 lux, which is a lot. I mean, you've seen the brightness. Yeah, that's a few of the technical specs into that. And obviously the inbuilt power delivery into it as well. I haven't read the instructions because I don't do instructions. Oh, is there supposed to be a little? No, there isn't. I was just checking to see if there's something else in the box, but there isn't. Yeah, there's 2 pages of English. It's that simple. And that's what I actually love about this, is the simplicity of this light. It's a run and gun light. The amount of times that I go, I've got to set up the softbox, I've got to set up the light, I've got to set up the tripod, and I really just can't be bothered. It's just like, do I have to? This, you could put it on a little Gorilla Pod, something else that you want onto that if you wanted to, have a little adapter already on the bottom, just run and gun. Yeah, I think this is going to be superb for that. If you're into that sort of videography or want the option for that. Again, if you just want it as a second light in your studio or something else, I think it's going to be pretty neat in terms of sound as well for what you get. And the fact it's got its own battery pack, so you've not got cables. This world is changing very fast in video in what we've got and what technology is available to us. And this is the next evolution into that. This thin form factor and the output that we're getting from these LED lights is fantastic. Now, obviously, one of the things is price onto this. Where can you get it from? You can actually get it from Amazon, and if you buy it from the ZHIYUN store on Amazon, I've got a 10% discount code that you can use down below, specifically for that, so that you can get the best out of this, because why not? Why wouldn't you? So yeah. Anyway, check them out. There's a link down below. Go and have a look for yourself. I've had good fun with this. I've been playing with it all week. I do like having the ability to play with new toys that come through, and this is one of those. So yeah, Go and check them out and let me know in the comments if you get one, what your thoughts are. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.